Well, a happy March day to you. Up here in northeastern Ohio, we actually have a blue sky again. And over in the south, it's about after 2 p.m. So in the south, we have the sun. Since I'm pointed in this direction, we'll go with this first, because we have a moon over in the eastern sky. And once again, those spots, unlike last year, we had quite a few of them. Right. That should be good enough. So over there we have the sun, and turn us around over here to the east and have to move us. Sorry about that. And over here we have a 63.4% lit moon. Quite cool with the tree there. So yeah, we can't see much this time of day, but I did want to remind everybody that we have another rare blue moon coming up here in 6 days on March 31st. So we're going to have our second full moon of March, which makes it a blue moon, as they call it. We had 2 in January, none in February, and now 2 in March. And I believe it'll be about 8:30 a.m. in the morning when it'll reach its 100%. That would be 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, so I think that's about 12:30 GMT time. I'm not positive, but they keep changing the damn clock, so I don't freaking know. Anyway. Oh yeah, and keep your helmets on. We've got that Chinese space station coming down. They can't tell us exactly when and exactly where it's gonna break up and come down, but somewhere between the 43° north and 43° south. A big part of that's water, a big part of it's land too, so who knows. So we'll just keep our helmets on. But I think they have it narrowed down to a few days before April 1st and a few days after April 1st. Who knows? We'll see. So if you catch some debris burning up in the atmosphere, which we hope it all does, that just might be the Chinese space station. Who knows? Anyway, that's going to do it for now on this chilly Sunday. Alright, I hope you have a wonderful Sunday and a good week ahead. Y'all take care wherever you are. Bye from Ohio.